I'm checking out this smart ring that was sent to me. Let's open it up and see what all we got in the box. But first, before you go and order your smart ring, you got to figure out what your ring size is. Now, I found this ring to be true to size. It is the same ring size I have been wearing for the last 15 plus years. But if you're not exactly sure what your ring size is, or you want to make sure that you have the right one for the finger you're going to use, first you need to order the sizing kit. So in the sizing kit, come with several different ring sizes to try on, and of course you're going to want to pick the one that fits the finger you're going to want to wear the ring on, because my ring finger is smaller than my index or my middle finger. So you order your sizing kit, figure out what size you need, then you can order your ring. Comes with a little quick start guide, a charging case, and the ring itself. Then it also has a little accessory box that has your charging cable and your instruction manual in it as well. There's the ring. There is a little red mark on top of that ring, right here on the edge of the band, that you're going to need to take note of, because when you place it in your charging case, the red mark needs to line up with the green arrow right here, and that will activate and charge your ring. If you don't have it lined up, it's not going to act correctly. Also, you need to know where that red line is, because when you place it on your hand, the red line needs to be on top of your finger for the sensors to work correctly. I just got this thing set up on my phone. What you'll do is you will download the corresponding app on your phone and then pair your ring with the device. Once you've paired it, then all you have to do is simply wear the ring and it will start to collect the data you need. I just set this up, so I will finish this recording in a few days after I've got a little bit of data. It's been a couple of weeks since I put this on my finger. Check it out. Isn't that a nice looking ring? It's just as nice as my wedding ring. And it's a smart ring, which who would have thought they could get so much data out of something so small? It's pretty awesome. I'll jump in the app in just a minute and talk about everything that it tracks in the app. But one of my favorite things about it is it's light. I haven't had any issues noticing it was there. I play guitar, and I typically take my wedding ring off whenever I'm playing guitar, because my wedding ring is made of tungsten. It's a little heavy, and I don't like the way it feels when I'm moving my fingers around. This one, picking up, playing the guitar, I barely even noticed it was on my finger, which is kind of cool. The ring also is water resistant, and so you don't have to worry about taking it off when you're taking your shower or washing dishes or just simply washing your hands. You don't have to worry about the electronics getting messed up inside of the ring. Let's talk about the app and show you what all it tracks. In the app, you'll see that my ring is connected and that it's counting. I've done 2,600 steps. I've had an active time of 2 hours and 31 minutes, and it's calculating my calorie sources, which is kind of cool. It can break down whether I've been burning fat or carbs. I actually kind of like that. And I can do a week view, a month view, and you can see the day that I had my ring off, letting it charge. Looks at my sleep. I don't typically wear it to sleep because I don't like to wear any jewelry while I'm sleeping. But this is the sleep, and it's breaking down my deep sleep, light sleep realm, just like my smartwatch does. It can track my heart rate variability, tracks the blood oxygen. It's a really nice thing where it's tracking all this info so you can keep up with your health data. Let's go over here with active energy, sleep time, stress, heart rate, heart variability, and blood oxygen levels. And that's the smart ring.